Okay, so let's try for inverses. So say I want to find the tan inverse of square root of 3 and the sine inverse of square root of 3 over 2. So I'm going to start off just by having my chart out, and I'm going to say one of these I can do pretty easy. Sine inverse of square root of 3 over 2 is saying sine of what gives me square root of 3 over 2. And if I look at this, sine of pi over 3 gives me that. So my answer is just pi over 3. Tan is a little harder. I don't know, so I'm going to actually have to find my tan. So here it's sine over cosine, so I'm going to do square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which means flip and multiply. So square root of 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. Oh, that gives me square root of 3. So tan inverse is also pi over 3. Okay, so look at the next two. Cosine inverse of 0 and cosine inverse of -1. My chart's not really going to help much for this one because these don't exist in my answer keys in my chart. So I'm going to have to go back to my unit circle and say, let's look at a unit circle. And when chart doesn't help, go back to unit circle. And unit circle goes cosine. So here, this would be the point 1, 0. This would be the point 0, 1. And this would be the point -1, 0. Don't forget, cos only has an output between 0 and pi, so I'm only looking for really these parts of the unit circle. So cos is my x is 0 at pi over 2. And cos is my x is -1 at pi. So two different ways we can find these.